We are proud to announce the launch of the new and improved Crown Polymers website. Whether you are a contractor or a distributor, our website promises to offer a more user-friendly experience, making it much easier to locate Crown products and services. At the top of the page, you will find a variety of tabs you can easily click through. The Products tab provides a list of the products we offer, broken down into different product types. The Systems tab now provides you with all products included in each system. Click on the system, and when you scroll down, you can view details and descriptions. The Industries tab will provide you with a list of the industries we serve broken down by category. The Resources tab has a variety of options, from application guidelines to color charts to a video library. And finally, the Enhanced Search feature makes it possible for you to search and find any of our products. Simply type in what you are looking for and let the website do the rest. With over 30 years of industry experience, Crown Polymers is one of the nation's leading manufacturers of high-performance epoxy, urethane-based floor coating products, and concrete repair systems. Please visit our new website to find out more.